Hello, welcome to the newbies. Welcome back for my subscribers. I am Ikandake, and today we're going to be doing a coil out tutorial. So if you're interested in getting these results, just keep watching. First, I'm going to start with co-washed hair. I like to dry with a t-shirt because it's definitely better for reducing frizz. And I'm going to then go into adding smaller parts. I like to add twists because it's going to allow my hair to air dry in the meantime while also being able to stretch my hair out a bit. So then I'm going to take my coil activator and spray it, then using just a bit of my leave-in conditioner and a small bit of gel, smoothing it from root to tip, then taking my Denman brush, detangling and also combing the product through, and then I'm just going to start twisting. So as you brush, your hair will show its curl pattern. I think it's really great to just follow that direction to get the best curl definition. And you're just going to wrap it around your finger from root to tip. Again, you want to ensure that you get the product from the root all the way to the tip to really bring out the best results and get that really sheen and bouncy level of definition that you're looking for. And this is also going to minimize having those tiny pieces of product that sometimes can end up in your hair once it's dry. You want to smooth it out, that way it's none of that later. As I'm adding the product and starting my coils, I'm allowing about 1/4 of an inch left of my hair at the root so that when I do stretch it, it won't be directly from the root. It'll be a little further out. That way, once I do stretch it out, it'll already have some of that length there. For my girls with shrinkage, if you know, you know. finishing up. I've got a little bit of hair in my face there, but we prevail. Then I'm just going to grab my rat tail comb and just clean up that part in the front and smooth my edges out, so once I lay them down for the night, they'll be nice and smooth. Then you want to grab your bonnet. Mine is nice and large, so it'll give my hair the space to kind of move around just a bit. And you want to pop that satin bonnet on. And done. Here we are the next day. They're nice and dry. Now you can let your hair dry for a day. You can let it dry for a day or two. Then I'm just gonna go in with some coconut oil and lightly touch all over my hair so that I can begin to separate and, coil out. So you wanna start at the base and then separate into 2 to 3 pieces. And you want to ensure that you're going in the same direction when you separate the coil. You want to continue that coil going in the same direction. So I did notice for some pieces it was easier for me to start at the root and then just uncoil a bit and then just recoil with my finger in the same direction. And I'm gonna grab my mini hair pick and just fluff those roots out a bit. You want to make sure that you are not bringing the pick all the way to the tips of your hair, because then it's gonna just take away from a lot of that definition. But go to town on your roots and really just fluff that out, and it'll also allow you to create more shape. If you don't have a pick, you can always also lightly hold the ends of your hair, grab a hair blower, a hair dryer, and then just put a little bit of that heat onto your roots using the tension method. And that'll pretty much do the same thing. I personally like to just fluff it out a little bit. I feel like the pick gives me more control. So whatever works for you. Now I'm going to add a bit of edge control and just re-smooth out and lay my edges down a bit. Which side of the comb do you guys like to use when you're using your edge brush? I feel like the comb really helps smooth it out and create a nice level of definition. To do with the brush side. And there we go. A fresh coil out. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a thumbs up. Leave a comment for me letting me know which products you like to use when you style your hair. And I hope that you'll be back and join me again soon. Bam, wham. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.